this one looks a little bit more awesome than the other one already is. That right there's new. Look at that. They also have a Campbell APS button sitting there too as well. So, oh, what's that? Lost dogs? Really? Who even cares? I do. Okay, I'll get across. Oh, now it turned red. Now it turned red. It just did that after a split second. Look at that. They put this thing around that thing right up here. Don't know why they do this. What's this? Oh, this one's kind of, look at that. It's starting to peel out. Look at that. What's this? Yeah. No way. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. This thing is not, that's right there is not going there. That's supposed to be clean. Ah, well. That right there is not what you do when you do a pedestrian run. You're not supposed to graffiti it. Thanks to that, I just ripped it out, too. I ripped out most of it. It's also, this one's pretty quiet. Listen. Well, that one's crossing through. See what happens. To be honest here, these buns are not that bad, actually. Oh, crosswalk. Speedy, weedy.